This wood carving and whittling kit has everything you need to make some awesome creations out of wood. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. Here is a quick unboxing. This is a strop tool. In this pocket there are some sharpening tools as well, sandpaper, sharpening stones, finger protection, wax for sharpening. Each blade has a protective covering. That's a great safety feature. My goal is to make a coffee scoop. Here's a rough outline. Always wear cut-resistant gloves. You have to protect those creative hands. I chose a larger blade to start with because I will be removing a lot of material. I can go back later and then put in fine details. This does a great job slicing through the wood. Wow. These are very sharp. After working on this for a bit, I'm making good progress. I experiment with different types of tools. Even though this tool is small, it does a great job at removing a lot of material. Then I move to a larger tool. Notice how I'm always pushing the blade away from my hands and fingers. This is also a very relaxing activity. I get a lot of enjoyment whittling wood. I used a variety of these high carbon steel blades to get this far. My coffee scoop is almost done. I like how sharp these are and the ergonomic handles. These feel great in the hand. I also like that you have everything you need to sharpen these blades. The instructions do provide a detailed explanation of every tool that you get in the kit. This kit is great for beginners and even more advanced users as well.